shower, 42 done, 42 days in a row. I'm heading to the shop now. I'm gonna get some work done. Yeah, gonna review our financials, schedule more emails to be sent, and look at all the product listings. Pretty much plan for today. All right, see you in a bit. What's up, everybody? We just sold something on Facebook. On Facebook Marketplace. It was a table. It's $20 for a plastic table. We did a whole bunch of stuff for my cold email campaign. We set up DMARC, like the DMARC, I don't know, security thing on our website. So emails are on our domain, so emails are not spam filtered. It helps with that. We set up a subdomain in Apollo, and then Apollo is the system that we use our cold emailing, or we do to send cold emails. And we finished going through this list. So basically it's a list of the attendees at the Biomed Device Conference that I attended a couple years back. And then I have multiple lists updated, but I'm just going through the companies and looking at just prospecting and seeing which companies may be a good fit for me. And then just cold emailing those people and seeing, getting those emails and cold emailing and seeing perhaps they may need CNC parts. But I mean, I'm keeping it short and sweet, just a 2-line email asking if they need parts. So I don't think it's not like a big whole email. But yeah, now I'm going through another list. Another couple. So this is for the MD&M West conference. That conference is actually next week, but I'm not attending this year because of my job and other things. But I didn't attend last year either, which was a bummer. I attended 2 years back. That was fun, and I attended the year before that as well. That was the conference that really got me my first big influx of orders, you could say. I met a lot of people, made connections, and saw people that were interested in my services, so they ordered from me. I plan to go in 2026. I want to get another booth, 2026, really increase my social media presence, increase my online presence, my website presence, and then go to the conference and get some more leads. But right now, I just want to focus on marketing techniques that are free. The conference costs about probably $7,000 all in all for the booth, the hotel, everything. So I don't want to spend money, stuff like that. So just emails are free. Emails, website, all that stuff is pretty much free. So, yep. And then I will probably, after I finish, I want to send out or schedule 2,000 emails for the month. So I'm only sending about 20 to 50 a day. So schedule about 2,000 so the whole month is done, and then I'll move on to the next things I need to do. So I'll keep you guys posted. See you. Gonna call it a day today, day 42 complete. I've just been working on my financials. I'll probably go into the details a little bit later. But right now, just finish up working on my financials for the week. And then also I'm gonna review Q4 of 2024 and see my spending reports a little bit. Tomorrow I might be working with my machinist, so that'll be fun. And anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Day 42 done.